The Opposition Citizen Coalition for Change CCC Party Chief Administrator Jameson Timber on Friday 23 May announced a shadow cabinet comprising 16 shadow ministers and their duties. Murezi Mabuta kuona kuti CCC imwe faction ye CCC yakusimukira yana Jameson Timber aiwa vakupa agendas avo aiwa vakuchitanga kuda kurana sarapina mashoko sekuda kwanyoko mzara nazo kuti bo subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Samunonzi in a statement CCC said the responsibilities of the shadow ministers and their duties include holding the government accountable and promoting alternative policies and ideas, among others, said CCC. Their key responsibilities include holding the government accountable by scrutinizing the government's policies and actions, developing and promoting alternative policies and ideas, serving as spokespeople for the party, articulating our values, principles and positions on the key issues, participating in parliamentary debates, and communicating the party's message and policies to the public through media appearances, speeches, and other events, among other key responsibilities. Do mashokana yachi publish panapa pa page re CCC vachiti ava vakuda ku move forward, vakuchida kutanga chimbotudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pe initiative yakaitwa na Jameson Timber. Nyangwe vaino zvimchizoona na Jameson Timber vanenge vachishandisa face yavanozojamisa nyangwe vanozojamisa vasipo zvoita kuti vanhu vati aiwa iri rava bhazi risina engine, saka rinofamba iri bhazi iri. Chimbotudze mafungiro enyu pamusoro ma responsibilities avari kumention aya pinenge comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu. Musanga no subscribe, like, channel, turn on the bell icon.